So at this time, we're going to move from our message onto the time where we share with each other, share with Unity of Payson those gifts that we have that sustain our community. So it's a time for tithes and offerings. So as we approach that time of tithes and offerings, I want you to use your imagination. Take your imagination and discern that gift that is yours to give. And as you do so, visualize holding it to your heart, or perhaps even put your hands to your heart if you don't have that gift in your hand. And as we move forward to this, on the next slide, you'll see where and how you can make that contribution to Unity of Payson. We are grateful, we appreciate, to use our word for today, those gifts. And of course, they can be sent by mail to our post office box, or you may go to the unityofpayson.org. Easy to find us there. And go to that donate support section, and there you can make your contribution online. In a time when we are not meeting and can't pass the basket or the offering plate or basket, we do so in this way to support the Unity of Payson as we continue to move forward and envision a yet greater future for ourselves. So I'm going to give you some time as we have our offering song to write that check and get it ready to send, or to go to that unity.org and the donate or support tab so that you can make that contribution as well. So we will move on, and Ann and Jennifer will share with us a hymn that has stood the test of time, How Great Thou Art.
O Lord my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all the worlds thy hands have made, I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy power throughout the universe displayed, and sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. When through the woods and forest glades I wander and hear the birds sing sweetly in the trees, when I look down from lofty mountain grandeur and see the brook and feel the gentle breeze, then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. O Lord my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all the worlds works thy hands have made. I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy path throughout the universe displayed. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art.
Neil, can you unmute?
So Betty, if you can unmute yourself and we'll continue with this. So I'll carry on. Betty, are you with us?
Yep, I finally got it.
Thank
My speaker wasn't working well on my computer. So we are always so very grateful for all the gifts and the givers as an acknowledgement of the abundance in our lives. We bless them and those who give them. And let's say our affirmation together. Divine love through us blesses and multiplies all that we have, all that we give, and all that we receive. We are abundantly prosperous and we give thanks. Thank you all so very much. And so moving on, we continue next week with our April theme of appreciation. Appreciation fills my heart and fuels my gratitude. And next week, our speaker will be Reverend Jill Campbell, and her talk title is Just Say Thank You. And coming up this week, we still have lots of activities going on. The morning coffee has been wonderful. If some of you haven't tuned into that yet, it's really good discussion time. And that's on Zoom at 9:30. And next we have a Course in Miracles discussion, and that'll be led by Reverend Neil Worthington, Tuesday the 21st from 6:30 to 8, and also on Zoom, online or with your phone, and that is a love offering. And next, I think, yes, there is going to be the new book circle facilitated by Teresa. The first day will be April 22nd, and then the 29th, May 6th, and May 13th on Zoom, online and phone. And that'll be from 10 to 11:30 in the morning. And the book is The Art of Pilgrimage, The Seeker's Guide to Making Travel Sacred. And I know from Teresa that she is going to focus on pilgrimage as a spiritual pilgrimage within. And that is also a love offering. And next, the Azure Standard Natural Food Co-op. I understand that the order this month is very large because everyone ordering so much of their wonderful organic food online. So the next order deadline is coming up this Thursday on the 23rd at 5 o'clock. And if you'd like to get started, contact Neil or Jennifer about that. And once again, we will be having the midday meditation this coming Friday, the 24th at 1 o'clock. Again, that will be on Zoom, and that also will be a love offering. And Neil, do you have anything else to wrap us up with?
Yes, just a couple of things. We say love offerings. And of course, we don't have a jar or a basket to pass around. But we realize that these events that we are able to continue to have during this time are really meaningful. And so we covet your support of that. And you can do so in the same way as you would with your other offerings by going on the website to donate or by sending in a check to appreciate those activities. Just remember this, during this time, connecting with each other is super important. And we do that in morning coffee and all of the activities that we do. But I encourage you, if someone comes to your mind, give them a call, send them a text, send them an email, and stay connected during a time when it can feel isolated. And of course, follow the guidelines that we have. It's kind of the idea, trust God, trust, and follow the guidelines. That's part of the things, our participation that we can do. So that's about what I've got. Betty, back to you.
Yeah, I'd just like to echo what Neil just said. We have a community that's done a really wonderful job of reaching out to each other and supporting and making those calls and finding out if somebody needs something. I encourage you all just to continue doing that. And so now let's all join together in our peace song.
So we say together the prayer for protection. Let's say it with emphasis. The light of God surrounds us. I am light. The love of God enfolds us. I am love. The power of God protects us. I am power. And the presence of God watches over us. I am presence. Wherever we are, God is, and all is well. So I am going to now unmute you all, give you a chance to greet each other, and thank you so much for being with us at Unity of Payson this morning. You can talk now.
Thank you. It was wonderful.
I hear Annie in the background strumming on a few chords on the guitar. You also can go in the chat and just say, blessings, everybody. I appreciate you if you listen to the message. You say that. Cat's got your tongue, huh?
Can you show all of us?
Yeah, there you go.
There we
Oh,
go.
two squares. Can we
Yeah.
have a good week, everybody?
Thank you for your message.
Thank you for being here.
God bless
If
you.
you go up to the top right on your screen, it may say gallery view. Push that and you'll see everybody.
Yeah, yeah.
Hi, Teresa.
Right
Hi,
here,
Diane.
stairway to heaven there. Annie.
Hi.
Bob Hirschberger. Bob, I'm glad you're with us this morning.
Well, thank you.
Hi, Bob.
Hi, Jennifer.
Have you been painting?
I have been lots.
Plenty of time to do some of those things we don't get to do otherwise.
That's right.
Hi, Claudette.
And hi, Frosty, down there in the valley. Nice to have you, even though you're in the valley.
Yep. Right on the phone.
Claudette.
Yes.
I like the way you put your name there, Frosty. That's great.
June, I see you're here. Are you here, June?
Yes, I am
Oh, lovely. I'm glad you're here this morning.
enjoying it tremendously. It makes my whole week better.
Thank you. Thank you. And Teresa, I'm really looking forward to this book study. How many people have we got signed up for that now?
As of this morning, 12.
12. All right.
Yeah,
Good
it's a really
group.
good size.
Hey,
Just-
Teresa, you're on in two ways. You're on with your video and you're also on with a blank. Ooh, I don't know what that is. I see you here twice.
My phone and my computer are acting up.
Oh, okay. We thought you cloned yourself.
Thank the universe. No.
Yeah, I want to say appreciation to you because I know you and Jennifer have worked a lot to try to figure out how to put this music together.
We're still
I'm
not
sure
there
there'll
yet.
be refinement, but I really appreciate your work.
Thank you,
Beautiful
Annie, for your
singing.
lovely music.
Yes, I enjoy it too.
Thanks.
So I'm going to say goodbye to everybody, and I'm going to end this meeting. But please join for all sorts of activities. Morning coffee is a great one. Haven't been there yet. It's a really good thing, and we'll see you. So have a great Sunday, and we'll see you at the next thing.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Bye.